Discover It Secured Review. Most people think secured credit cards are boring, restrictive, and only useful if you have no other choice. But here's the surprising truth about the Discover It Secured card. For many people, it's one of the smartest and fastest ways to build real credit and earn actual rewards at the same time. And most people get this wrong because they don't realize how different the secured card is compared to the rest. Today we're breaking down exactly how the Discover It Secured card works, who it's best for, where it shines, and where it falls short, so you can decide if this card deserves a place in your wallet or if you should skip it entirely. Let's start with the big picture. The Discover It Secured card is designed for people with no credit or damaged credit who want to build or rebuild their credit responsibly. Unlike unsecured cards, it requires a refundable security deposit. That deposit becomes your credit limit. You're not paying a fee. You're simply putting down collateral. If you close the account in good standing or graduate to an unsecured card, you get that money back. What makes Discover It Secured different from almost every other secured card on the market is that it doesn't treat you like a second-class customer. You get rewards, real customer service, free credit monitoring, and a clear path to upgrading to an unsecured card. That combination is rare. Here's how the deposit works. You can deposit anywhere from $200 up to $2,500. That amount becomes your credit limit. If you deposit $500, your limit is $500. This flexibility allows you to control your utilization from day one. Most people don't realize this, but a higher limit can actually make it easier to build credit faster, as long as you don't overspend. Now let's talk about rewards, because this is where people are genuinely surprised. The Discover It Secured card offers cash back. You earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants, up to a quarterly spending cap, and 1% cash back on everything else. That is almost unheard of for a secured card. On top of that, Discover matches all the cash back you earn in your first year. That means if you earn $200 in cash back over 12 months, Discover gives you another $200.